If you are shy and it sucks, this is going to be the most valuable video you are going to watch. Listen, confidence isn't natural. It's not something that people are born with. Confidence is created through simple actions. Confidence is a skill, and all skills are attainable. And in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 such simple actions so that you can become your most confident self. Most of you aren't confident simply because you don't trust yourself. You lie to yourself saying, I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. But then you wake up at 9 and you keep on repeating that for the whole year. Well, guess what? You're not gonna be confident. You need to show up for yourself daily, set small goals, and complete them no matter what. Confidence is a skill, and you cannot attain skills in your comfort zone. Every day, do one thing that makes you uncomfortable. Once you do it, you'll realize how easy it was. And that way, you're making a portfolio of things you did that you thought were impossible. One of the most powerful ways to get confident is to know yourself. Do shadow work. Look up shadow work questions and write the answers in your journal, and observe your patterns, your flaws, your insecurities. You'll be so confident. If you know yourself, nobody can tell you who you are if you know exactly who you are. 90% of life is confidence, and the thing is that no one knows if it's real or not. At the end of the day, nobody really knows if you're confident or not. You can pretend to be the most confident and extroverted person, and no one will ever know how shy you are inside. And when you keep exposing yourself to such situations, you're again telling your brain that you're an extrovert. You can talk to people. You can initiate conversations. And here's the thing, the brain doesn't know the difference between the reality and what you're telling yourself. Every morning, look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am confident, I am beautiful, I believe in myself for 30 days. And that's enough time for your brain to subconsciously start believing it. And when you believe you are confident, you become confident. So, I hope this video helped you guys in some way. If it did, tell me in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.